Uruguay Technological Laboratories, LATU in Spanish, is an institution geared to meeting the needs of enterprises in both the public and the private sectors. The aids in the development of quality products and services, adding value through the implementation of continuous improvement processes, the opening and security of new markets, and achieving excellence in management.
Founded in 1965, LATU has the legal status of a non-governmental public organization with a board of directors, chaired by a representative of Ministry of Industries, Energy and Mines, with delegates from the Chamber of Industries of Uruguay and the National Bank of Uruguay.
Located on 11 hectares in Carrasco, a neighborhood to the east of Montevideo, its buildings cover 23,500 square meters, 7,000 of which are used to host fairs and exhibitions. The 20,000 square meters of green areas and trees surrounding the facilities round out a very attractive location.
In view of the need to make its services available to more strategic areas within the country, LATU joined with the National Institute for Agricultural Research, INIA in Spanish, to design and open a branch in Fraiventos, a town in the central western province of Rio Negro. This technological unit contributes to local development by supporting industrial initiatives and supervising compliance with business regulations and environmental laws.
It also advises forestry companies on the development and improvement of innovative technologies and provides technical assistance to the productive chain of cellulose pulp and paper, as well as for solid wood and its derivatives. Its activities have expanded to include environmental evaluations, designing, monitoring, and running of plans and programs for cleaner production methods. It provides industries with the tools for the preservation of aquatic resources and ecosystems by advising on their compliance with environmental laws.
LATU is in direct and interactive contact with similar institutions around the world that work in the same field, establishing alliances that facilitate the fulfillment of its goals in the productive sectors.
Its own quality certification process carried out by SQS from Switzerland in accordance with the ISO 9001 standard, the more than 250 tests run for the different laboratories and certified by UCAS of the United Kingdom, together with the many agreements signed with other institutions around the world for evaluation and training purposes, all place LATU's high standards and technical expertise at world level.
To maintain its role as a driving force for sustainable development in Uruguay, LATU carefully plans its annual investment in state-of-the-art equipment and encourages permanent training and education. Staff in charge of industrial and scientific projects receive advanced training that constantly improves their professional practices.
Certifications awarded by LATU to manufacture products support both the development of local industries and their insertions in overseas markets. They warrant quality and reliability for all concerned, foreign governments, other technological institutes, and entrepreneurs.
Industries and agricultural industries come to LATU for the support and backup they need to realize their initiatives or to be recognized as companies with high quality standards, providing them with the credentials that grant them access to the most demanding world markets.
LATU also provides a temporary admission service, granting the supplies of tax-free raw materials and goods for the transformation or assembling of export products. This enables export industries to access overseas markets with the most competitive conditions as to price, quantity, and quality.
With 11 laboratories and pilot plants in Uruguay and 400 technical and administrative staff, LATU leads in research projects in measurement standards, food quality, packaging, environment, forestry, textiles, product and byproduct development, innovation and technological transference.
In order to increase industrial competitiveness and market impact, LATU offers its control tools for high-level analysis and trials. Its state-of-the-art equipment and specialized technicians are able to cover the whole gamut of industrial and agricultural activities. It also provides major support for the managing of the certification process, developed for both export products and the produce of local businesses.
LATU uses irradiation during food processing to destroy insects, fungi and bacteria harmful to humans, producing healthier foods with animal alterations in their sensory properties. This procedure aids in complying with the new national and international quality requirements for food products, enabling local produce to overcome any technological barriers and achieve a better position in overseas markets.
Among other tasks concerning entrepreneurial development, LATU runs the Ingenuity program, an incubator of technological businesses started in 2001 with the financial backing of the Multilateral Investment Fund of the Inter-American Development Bank. Its main goal is to promote the creation of new, innovative and financially viable technological undertakings.
To improve their chances of being successful, Ingenuity provides participating projects with a controlled risk environment. Services to incubating business include advising and training in marketing, business plan, intellectual property and any other issues involved in the creation, development and management of new technology-based undertakings.
Since 1994, the permanent infrastructure and huge green areas of LATU's exhibition park have enabled productive and trading sectors to showcase their new products and services at local and world levels. The LATU Exhibition Park is a leader in the organization of fairs, exhibits and congresses, offering an environment that encourages technological, industrial and commercial exchanges to take place.
Science Area is another project aimed at spreading science and technology to society at large, an educational and recreational center. Science Area is an informal, interactive area designed to learn about science by stimulating imagination, creativity and discernment. With more than 100,000 visitors every year and carefully prepared theme exhibits, Science Area was included among the 10 most important centers for science and technology in the world by the French City of Sciences and Industries at Paris.
LATU is also in charge of carrying out the Ceibal Plan, one of the most important government initiatives that promotes access to informatics for most Uruguayan homes, therefore stimulating social equity and equal opportunities for all. This plan aims at bringing every primary school, along with the students and teachers online, creating a huge network with access to information and knowledge. Every school-aged child will have a portable notebook with internet connection that will allow him or her to work both from home or at school.
The Center for Knowledge Development is another LATU initiative aimed at training human resources for the information technologies industry. It provides ample space for the consolidation of projects aiming at developing products and services for national and foreign markets. It is a training center that includes some members of the Uruguayan Chamber of Information Technologies and aims at complementing graduate training in topics and disciplines not covered by conventional curricula.
Considered a household name in development and excellence, LATU has set a national and international example with respect to science and technological transference. LATU's achievements and unceasing drive for self-improvement in the cause of national progress underpin the development of Uruguayan industry and quality certification in the eyes of the world.